Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Audrey here. So in today's video, if you look behind me, I definitely changed a little bit on my Hoya setup. So I'm gonna go show you guys my new Hoya setup, and then we could talk about some of the growth on the new Hoyas. So here is my new Hoya shelf right by my window landing. As you can see, I did get rid of this bamboo plant stand that I had for some times. I just don't really like that one. It's definitely causing a lot of tips of the pot on that shelf. So I decided to get a cornered one. It looks much better in this corner. And my Hoya definitely in a better place compared to what I used to be. And I did put some hook right in here, so I can hang some of those too, and of course my two big vendas in here too. And I really like the corner right now with this artwork on this landing. It looks so much better, and I feel like there's more light for all my Hoyas compared to the other one. So yes, I'm really happy with this shelf. I have 3 Hoyas on the top shelf. They all looks pretty good, and they all have new growth. If you look at the carrot eye, it's actually going pretty tall right now on the top. So definitely enjoys the life on the shelf right now. And then next to it are the 2 Hoya. They all have some new growth. You can see right here, it's definitely growing some right in this way. And this one has now grown for me for the last year, so I'm really happy to see some new growth on this one. And then next to it is my Crinkle 8. This one definitely give another growth right in here. So I'm excited to see this one. This one also didn't grow for the last year. So I'm so excited to see some new growth on this one. This is my Hoya Pupacella. You can see there's some new growth on this one too, right in here in the branch. It's finally branching out on those branches, so I'm really excited. So I know how to cut them. They just take a long time for it to grow leaves. As you can see right here, there's some growing on this one too. And this is the Hoya Australia's Lisa. You can see there's some new growth on this leaf too. So which one? So this one is also growing, and also my Hoya Balbo Grace. There's some new leaves on this one too. So all of them are growing pretty good. And the Rosetta is definitely no longer a smaller Hoya for sure. This one has been growing too. You can see there's some new leaves on this one. So yeah, they're all growing. And next to it is my Hoya Croniana Black. This one definitely growing a lot. There's black leaves everywhere. So this one's growing too. And the YTI next to it, this one, there's nothing growing on this one. I just think this one's growing roots because it's already started to pretty stable in this pot. I had to have a hard time to pull it out, so I think it's growing root pretty good. Here's my fishtail, is growing too. There's some new leaf, as I showed in the previous video. It's growing, and yeah, it's no longer a smaller Hoya. I'm actually really happy with this one. This is the survival cutting from my Hoya fishtail. So I lost some other plants. I have 2 cuttings. I give one to my mom, and she also have it growing. And then right here is my smaller, no longer smaller cutting, and it's growing really good. Next layer, there's more Hoya. This is the Hoya Abovada. I can see this one's new branch coming out too, which I'm excited. This one has not grown for me the last year, so new branching coming out, and there is a little cutting on the side. It's also growing new leaves, which is really exciting for that one. Here is the Hoya Utusa. I did lost a lot of cuttings on this one. This is the surviving of this Hoya. I think I just had a hard time with watering. I kept forgetting to water this one, so I did take the plants out of the other pot and put this one into clear pot, so I can see and know when I need to water this plant. It does look a lot better, and when I switch this plant into this pot with a more aerial medium, it looks a lot healthier and looks a lot better. So have high hope for this one. Hopefully this one can grow this year. And here is my humidity dome for this Hoya right in here. So it's got pretty good humidity in this pot for this Hoya imbricata. So yeah, so here is my other layers of Hoya. This is the Hoya Crimson Princess. There's some new growth on this one too, as you can see right here, which I'm really excited. This one definitely went through a lot, from a really beautiful Hoya to have to get some cutting to hopefully keep some of this Hoya alive to right now starting to growing again, which I'm really excited. I can't wait for this one to be big again. You can see there's a lot of new growth on this one. And in the back is my Hoya shooting star. Let me twist this so you guys can see. There's no change on this shooting star. It just have not grown for me. I think I need to repot this one into a smaller pots to hopefully stimulate to grow a little bit, because since last year it had not grown for me at all. On this side is some smaller Hoya. So here is the white guy, the green one. I did see some new growth on this one too, as you can see right here. So this one started to grow pretty good, which I'm excited. Almost lost this Hoya the past winter, so seeing new growth on this one is definitely really exciting. And then next to it is the Planted Hawaiian, and there's some new growth on this one too. This one does look really weird. Don't know if genetic speaking, this one just not very healthy. It reminds me of my old sunrise, which already discard that sunrise. When I'm having my new Hoya sunrise going so good, I decided to not struggle with the old one, so I get rid of that one. But this one reminds me of the old Hoya sunrise, which I'm a little bit worried about it. I will see if I can get this one grow this year. If not, I may just buy another one to replace this one, so I don't have to struggle with this one at all. As a new plants, I don't know much about those things, so hopefully I don't kill them. Bottom is also the Hoya. Here is the no ID Hoya or Hoya carnosa, one of the Hoya carnosa that I think people ID for me. Let me just move this one so you guys can see. It definitely grew a little bit too. You can see I did trellis this one. Looks much better, and there's some new growth on this one too. I do believe this is a carnosa type Hoya, and I think actually it's carnosa green ghost. I think somebody told me this looks like green ghost. I did search on it and it does look like that Hoya, so that's the name I have it for this one, unless I found something else that I think it might be more suitable for this one. You never know what you get from Etsy store. Sometimes this is the one Hoya that they definitely mislabeled or on purpose made a different Hoya. And next to it is Ready. I definitely tried this one too. I almost lost this Hoya last year, so I'm excited to see this one finally started to grow a new growth on this one, and a flower for me. I show you guys the flower in a short video, so I did not really make a video all of this one. It started to grow, which is a good news. So this is my new set for my Hoyas in the landing area with the windows. I do still have those glass mounted shelves next to my front door that I have all the other smaller Hoyas in there. There's a lot of growings on my Hoyas this year, which I'm really excited. I think on top of the fertilizing game, and also put the slow release fertilizing on all my Hoyas definitely help big time. I also start to mix them throughout throughout the day, maybe sometimes once or sometimes twice. Just plant water in the spray bottle and try to mix them to increase the humidity. I think that might helping too. I'm not 100% sure, but a lot of my Hoya are growing really good. I have a plan this year. I'm gonna let all my Hoya growing this year. Hopefully they can go really long and branching out everywhere. So next year in the spring, I can cut all those cutting out and root all the cutting and put them back into the pot during their growing season, so they can start to branching out, become a more bushy Hoya. That's my plan for this year and next year. Well, always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Happy growing!